What's up, guys? It's your boy E, and all I have to say today is aloha, because I have a nice solid gold haul from Hawaii Rope Chains. I have a lot of good things to say about this company, but let's see if the product lives up to the hype. First, Bob, you got to do your thing. Do your thing, bro. All right, guys, and we are back with the Hawaiian Rope Chain Solid Gold haul. But before we get into it and unbox this, there's a few quick things that I want to say about Hawaii Rope Chains. So I'm always big on ordering from reputable companies, and Hawaii Rope Chains is a company that I personally have been purchasing from for a couple of years now. Hawaii Rope Chains began in 2021. I think I probably started buying things from them around 2022, maybe closer to 2023, but more or less a couple years. Myron, the owner, is somebody who's extremely hands-on with his business. He is a guy that literally started this company with just selling rope chains, hence the name Hawaii Rope Chains in Hawaii. And he has taken that as a one-man operation, doing over 600 orders a month all by himself. He has no employees, no overhead, no rent. And on top of this, he works a full-time job. So what he's able to do is pass on those savings to you, the consumer. And in the solid gold market, from what I've seen, he has some of the best prices. And that's something that's always attractive. He's also an honest guy. Remember that, a recent purchase I made from him, and this is just, some rule of thumb about gold, all weights will usually be approximate weights. When someone lists a chain, they might list it at 80 grams. It might come back over at like 82, 83 grams, and it also might come back under. And I remember with this particular chain, it came back in about 2 or 2.5 grams under the listed weight that I had paid for. And before I could even say anything, I got a notification that he refunded me the difference. And that's a really, really cool thing when you're shopping with a business. Now, in the same respect, if you get a chain and let's say it's a gram over, a lot of jewelers won't care. They're not going to change the pricing on you. But because of that approximate pricing in the solid gold space, if you get a chain back and it's 2, 3, 4 grams over, don't be surprised if you get hit up by the jeweler asking for a little bit of extra money. So whenever you're making a purchase, I would always be prepared and have a few extra hundred tucked away just in case that happens. A lot of people don't know this, and then they get shocked and think that a jeweler is trying to rip them off when this is just standard practice. That winds up in a bad review happening for a company, which just isn't needed if you understand the market that you're shopping in. So, all right, guys, so I already went ahead and opened this box right here because they are a bitch, and I didn't want to sit on camera going crazy like Jason with a machete trying to open this. So, oh jeez, I got it down to the bag. Bring out the katana. Check this out. Bang. Let's get in here. Let's get a nice little slash going. Boom. We actually have the shipping compass. Oh my God, that knife is sharp, guys. Look, I went right through that. Wow. All right, good job, knife. All right, so let's see what we got here, guys. First, we got these chargers. These chargers are really cool. You got the 3-prong, you got the old school USB, you got the USB-C, I believe, and you also got the lightning on here for all of you guys that have iPhones from 2014. So boom, we got this, love that. Oh guys, also these things light up, they glow. So when you plug these things in, they glow, which is super cool. There's the box, Hawaii Rope Chains. You got the nice hang 10. I think Hawaii Rope Chains calls that the shaka right there. Boom, beautiful box. Let's put that to the side for a minute. We got, wow, a nice little travel case here. This is very cool. Look at this thing. Wow. Nice stitching. It's kind of like a little kind of plastically like hard shell material. Nice Hawaii Rope Chains logo. Let's open it up. Oh, wow. We got more jewelry in here, guys. We got these 4 little boxes right here. You got room here for rings, earrings, whatever. And like I said, if you want to put some nugs of weed in there, to your heart's desire. Boom. So I got 2 items from them, guys. I got a 4.5 millimeter Fiagrope. For all of you that don't know what a Fiagrope is a combination between your Figaro and rope chain, which is one of my personal favorite chains ever made. There we go. Oh, wow. I got another charger, guys. Look at that. Charger heaven. Good looking, Myron. 4.5 millimeter, 30 inches, 48.52 grams, 14 karat. That's always good to see. You definitely want to know what you're getting, and we'll also weigh it in a minute. You have a nice little microfiber polishing cloth here. Really nice presentation, guys. And for the other bag, we got a pendant. So, check this out. So guys, this is a Pamp. So if you guys don't know what a Pamp is a solid 24 karat gold bar. This particular Pamp, I believe, yes, 10 grams. So this is a 10 gram Pamp. So it's a 10 grams of 24 karat gold. Now what Myron does is he sells these, but he has bezels for them. He has rope bezels, he has Greek bezels, he has diamond bezels, does all different sizes of bales, super cool stuff. And I'll link the website, I'll link the link to the Pamps and to the Fiagrope and to all his stuff down in the description. So that is the authenticity card here for the Pamp. You have the certificate number, you have the metal fineness, which is 999. You have 10 grams right there, and it's a certified assayer. And you got, I don't know what that says, Maria Saraghetto. What the hell is it? We'll just call her Maria Saraghetto, guys. That's Maria Saraghetto. That's my homegirl. And the gram weight is 15.83 grams. So that means that bezel weighs in at 5.83 grams with the 10 gram Pamp. So let us open the Pamp up first. All right, we got some tissue paper here. And, oh, I got the Greek bezel. I forgot about that. Wow. Guys, look at this. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. So you got the Lady Fortuna on one side, which I believe is the Lady of Good Luck and Good Fortune. And on the other side, you got the 10 gram fine gold 999 Swiss. Boy, guys, I don't know if you can tell, but this thing is shining. Wow. And you got your little solid gold bale there as well. I believe this fits chains up to 5.5 if I'm correct. So it should look perfect on that 4.5 millimeter Fiagrope. Let's get into this Fiagrope. Boom, look at that. There we go, guys. This is the chain, 4.5 millimeters. Let's pull it out of the bag. Oh, there we go. Wow, this thing has some nice weight to it. Again, guys, this thing is glistening. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chain. Wow. This is super, super, super nice. All right, so let's bring out the scale real quick. And here we go. Power this on. And 48.56. I believe that's right on the money. I think his was 48.53, so I got an extra 0.1 over there, which good looking, Myron. I appreciate that. Or maybe my scale is just a little bit newer. Super nice. And let's get the measurement in on this thing. 4.58. Now, guys, measuring these Fiagrops is a little bit tricky because you obviously have the Figaro parts and then the rope parts. 4.63. So right now we're over, which is nice. Let's get it one more time, guys. 4.85. So we're actually almost at a 5 on this, which is really cool. Really, really, really beautiful chain. Really, really beautiful. I mean, Again, guys, let me kind of get this over here so you can kind of see the detail in this, but this thing is just, wow. This is beautiful, beautiful chain. I don't know if you guys can see all that detail here, but super, super beautiful. And last but not least, let's get this Pamp on the scale over here. And 15.8, so let me get this right here. I don't know if I actually got that in the scale, in the shot before, but 15.84, which is exactly on the money. Let me actually reweigh the rope for you guys because I don't know if I got that in the shot before. Just to show you what it weighs. Let's put this back on really quick. 48.54, so again, right on the money. Perfect, everything just perfect. And that chain was definitely over 4.5 millimeters, so good looking, Myron. This is a really, really nice piece for a daily wear. Man, I am happy with this. What a great buy. All right, guys, so let's put this on neck and then let's rate it. All right, guys, so we got the chain on neck. This is a 30-inch chain, so it is long. As I mentioned before, guys, I like to wear my stuff long. I got that old school look going on, and this thing is just crazy. Here, let me see if I can back up a little bit for you guys. Boom, this thing is definitely a statement piece. Solid gold is the move. So about a week ago, I was looking up the forecasting of gold, and Goldman Sachs believes, right now I believe, hang on one second actually, let me look up where gold is at right now. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, so as of today, gold is at $2,759.53. Goldman Sachs is predicting by the end of 2025 that gold is going to go up to $3,500 an ounce. And they're saying by the end of 2026, we could be looking at almost $7,000 an ounce, which is absolutely crazy. Oh God, guys, Kitten came. What's up, Kitten? Kitten want to be in the video, guys, so there she is. All right, I'm gonna let Kitten rock, guys. But anyway, so gold, end of 2026, $7,000 an ounce. Now, I talk a lot about getting gold over silver. I talk a lot about getting moissanite. I talk a lot about getting lab diamonds. And I believe in all these different types of metals. I'm just a jewelry lover extraordinaire. But I like showing all the spaces love, and I think every space has a perfect purpose. I do own a bunch of solid gold pieces, as do I own a lot of moissanite pieces, as do I own a lot of silver pieces, and as do I own a lot of gold over silver pieces. But if you want to be smart with your money, put your money into commodities. Gold is one of the best commodities that you can put your money into, especially with where things are trending right now. With uncertain economies and new presidents taking over and all this kind of stuff, gold is going up, and I think this incoming administration is going to help us out with a lot of things as far as those issues are concerned without getting too political. But gold is an excellent place to take money and hold on to it, save it, and let it grow. Think about it as like a high yield savings account. All right, guys, so let me just show you this thing one more time. I mean, look at this. Let me get the camera into focus. This thing is just fire. All right, so now it's time to rate it on the nope to dope scale. And on a scale of nope to dope, Hawaii rope chains is getting a solid 8.5. Good job, Hawaii rope chains. Now, guys, let me tell you real quick. I broke this down in a short the other day. My rating system is a little bit different. A 1 to a 4 for me is a nope. A 5 is subjective. A 6 or a 7 is you should go cop that. An 8 is like a 10 or 11 on anybody else's scale. 8 to me is just crazy. If you're above an 8, like you should be running out of the house to go get that piece. And a 9 or a 10, if you ever hear me go there, not only should you run out of the house, but like I said the other day, you should run out of the house butt naked with a slice of pizza still in your mouth and run for the hills with one eye open and go get that piece, because that means it is nuts. Anyway, guys, this has been my review of Hawaii rope chains. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe. I have a lot more reviews coming up. And with that, it's Big E with GSJ TV, and I am out. Peace.